Okay, just before I close all this up, I finished this morning. Wow, what a effort this was to get this sub into this area. It's very tight. I've got this all now taped up properly. I'm ready to close up. The biggest problem was this bolt, which goes through maybe 2 or 3 inches of board and into a mount, and you need it because this is what actually secures it. So I've got these tight now. It's nice and solid in there, but holy smokes, William from Hansshow, this was an effort, and you are buying the beer if I ever meet you. So anyway, whoo, all finished.